Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook instant grits, a wonderfully quick and satisfying meal. To begin, gather your ingredients: instant grits, water or milk, and a small pinch of salt. The fundamental ratio to remember is 1/4 cup of instant grits for every 1 cup of liquid. This simple combination forms the base for a delicious and easy breakfast or side dish, ready in just minutes. For stovetop preparation, bring 1 cup of water or milk to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Once boiling, slowly stir in 1/4 cup of instant grits along with your pinch of salt. Reduce the heat to low and continue to cook for about 1 minute, stirring gently but consistently. After 1 minute, remove the pan from the heat and let it stand for 2 minutes to thicken perfectly before serving. If you prefer the microwave, combine 1/4 cup of instant grits, 1 cup of water or milk, and a pinch of salt in a large, microwave-safe bowl. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, making sure to stir thoroughly after the first minute. Be cautious, as grits can boil over quickly in the microwave. Let the bowl stand for 2 minutes after cooking to achieve the ideal creamy consistency. Now for the fun part, customization. For savory grits, stir in a pat of butter, some shredded cheese, or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. If you have a sweet tooth, try adding a spoonful of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or some fresh berries. You can also adjust the liquid slightly to get your preferred thickness. Serve your perfectly cooked instant grits immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.